Good morning, students. Today start chapter 2 fraction. Chapter 2 fraction. Now, fraction. A fraction is a part of the whole. Like a fraction is written as p by q, where p is called numerator and q is called denominator. What fraction of the given shaded part? Number of shaded parts 4, number of total parts is 12. Now fraction is equal to number of shaded parts upon number of total number of parts. 4 ratio 12 or cancel out the result. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. Results comes to here 1 by 3. And decimal fraction. A fraction with denominator 10, 100 and 1000 etc. is called a decimal fraction. For example, 6 upon 10, 9 upon 10 and 1 upon thousands are decimal fractions. Vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction. A fraction whose denominator is a natural number other than 10, 100 and 1000 etc. is called a vulgar fraction. For example, 5 by 9, 4 by 9 and 14 by 19 are vulgar fraction. Like and unlike fraction. Like and unlike fraction, the fraction having the same denominator are called like fraction. The fraction having the same denominator is called a like fraction. For example, 3 by 14, 5 by 14, 1 by 14 and 11 by 14. All denominator has the same number is 14. So this fraction is a like fraction. Like fraction because again repeated here because the same denominator that is 14. Now the fraction having different denominator are called unlike fraction. For example, 1 by 12, 4 by 9, 5 by 8 and 3 by 11 are unlike fraction as they have different denominator. Proper and improper fraction. Proper and improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. A fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. 5 by 13, 7 by 22, 43 by 128 and 192 upon 318 are proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. For example, 14 by 8, 72 by 10, 143 by 85, 415 upon 320 are improper fraction. Mixed fraction or mixed number. Mixed fraction or mixed number. Number having a whole number part A and a fraction part are called mixed number. We denote the form A whole number B by C equal to A plus B by C or AC plus B by C or AC plus B by C. For example, the mixed fraction 17 upon 3 is 5 a whole number 2 by 3. Now children, fraction in its simplest form. Fraction in its simplest form. A fraction whose numerator and denominator have no common factor. That one is said to be in this simplest form or lowest number form. Reduce each of the following in their lowest term. 192 upon 264. Now here both divided by 24 because SCF is 24. So results comes to here 8 by 11 is the simplest form. Exercise 2.1. 2.1 question number 1. Express the following unlike fraction as a mixed fraction. 25 upon 13. First divide by 13, 1 is 13. Now denominator. Now 12 is a remainder. 12 is a remainder. So write here 1 a whole number 12 upon 13. Next part 185 upon 32. Again divide 32 5 is 160. Now remainder is 25. Now 5 a whole number 25 upon 32 is the answer. Express the following mixed fraction as improper fraction. 7 a whole number 2 by 3. Now 7 into 3 plus 2 upon 3. 7 3 is 21 plus 2 upon 3 equal 23 upon 3 is the answer. 14 a whole number 1 by 7. 14 into 7 plus 1 upon 7 into 98 plus 1 upon 7. 99 upon 7 is the answer. Question 3. Identify whether the following are like fraction or unlike fractions. 5 by 18, 6 by 18, 7 by 18, 11 by 18. All denominator have the same denominator. 18. 18 is the same denominator, so this fraction is our like fraction. These fractions are like fraction. And next part B, 4 by 11, 6 by 11 and 9 by 13, 11 by 13. Denominator are different, 11 and 13. So this is your unlike fraction. This is your unlike fraction. Question number 4. Reduce the following fraction into their simplest form. 414 upon 324. First of all, cancel out the result is 2. 2 is 4, 2 7 14. Now 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4. 162. Again cutting here. Right here 69 and 54. Now last 23 and 18. Now remaining is 23 upon 18 is the simplest form. Question 5. Arrange the following fraction in descending order. 6 by 30, 4 by 15, 8 by 15, 7 by 2. Now taking the LCM 30, 15, 15 and 2. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 30. Now all denominator in the same number 30, 30, 30, 30. Now 32 is 16. Now 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, 15, 4 2 ja 30, 8 2 ja 16, 2 15 ja. Now 7 15 ja. Now ascending order, which is greater number 105, first, second, third and fourth. Write down the number and change in the oldest form. Change in the oldest form. 7 by 2, 8 by 15, 4 by 15 and 6 by 30 is the answer. Question 7. Add the following fraction. Add the following fraction. 3 by 10 and 1 by 10 and 11 by 10. All denominator is the same, 10, 10 and 10. Now LCM is the 10, 3 plus 1 plus 11, 15 upon 10. Now cancel out 5, 2, 3 is 15, 5, 2 is 10. Now answer is 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2. Next part, 17 plus 2 a whole number 2 upon 7. Solve 2 into 7 plus 2 upon 7, 14 plus 2, 16 upon 7. Now taking the LCM, here is 1, 17 into 6 plus 16, 102 plus 16, 118 upon 7 is the answer. Question 8. Subtract 7 a whole number 1 by 9 from 14. Now 14 minus 7 a whole number 1 upon 9. 7 9 is 63 plus 1 64 upon 9. Now here is your 1. Now taking the LCM is 9. LCM is 9. 114 into 9 minus 64 upon 9, 126 minus 64, 62 upon 9 is the answer. Question number 9. 19 a whole number 1 by 9 minus 12 a whole number 1 by 9, 17 upon 32. 19 into 9 plus 1, 172 upon 9. 12 into 9 plus 1, 109. Now LCM here is 9. 172 minus 109 is equal to 63 upon 9. 63 upon 9 minus 17 upon 32. 9 7 is 63. Now 7 minus 17 upon 32. 7 into 32 minus 17. 7 into 32, 224 minus 17. 224 minus 17 is equal to 207 upon 32 is the answer. Question number 10. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 2 by 9, now blank here. Now 9 3s are 27. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Write down here number is 6. Now 4 6s are 24. 4 6s are 24. Now 24 6s are 144. 24 6s are 144. Okay children, this video is your over. This video is your over.